You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Today's video we are cleaning out my fridge and it needs done. So it is actually July when this video is being recorded, and it was after a few Canada Day parties and things like that. So we've got some leftovers in here and a lot of things that have been hiding behind other things that went bad that I kind of forgot about. So we've really got to get this cleaned out. So if you need some motivation to clean out your fridge, keep watching. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing if you like cleaning motivational videos, family mom vlogs, and like seeing the cutest baby ever seen. That's my own opinion, of course, but those are the types of videos that I make here on my channel, and I would love to have you join our little community.
I know the feeling, it's traumatizing.
So here I am just swirling some of the stored breast milk that I had in the fridge just to mix up the separated fats in that so that I can freeze it. So I am still breastfeeding, and I just try to pump every once in a while after I feed Cohen so that I can get a little extra to freeze. So I'm just going to collect what I've had stored in the fridge the last couple days and put it in the freezer.
When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm, do you remember?
So you'll notice that I'm doing one shelf at a time in the fridge, and that is because Cohen is sleeping. So if he wakes up, I don't want to have everything out on the table or on the counters. I just want to be able to put something back quickly in the fridge to go get him. So I'm doing one shelf at a time, and then you'll see I keep rearranging as we go. So things that I'm putting back probably won't stay there. We will organize it as we go to make sure everything runs smoothly in here. I like to try to keep the fruits and vegetables and that where I can see them and grab them quickly, because if I don't, they'll go bad because I'll forget about them, and I'm sure a lot of people are the same. So I'm going to try to keep everything quick and easy to grab that is produce that will go bad because I will forget about it.
That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving.
Alright, so as you can see, it is really gross under here, and I am trying to get the drawer out, but I can't get it out because the fridge is right beside a wall, so the door doesn't swing open all the way, so I can't actually get that drawer out. So I have to kind of scrub from underneath. I do end up getting it done, but it was just a little bit more difficult having to bend under there. So under here was really gross. Obviously something had gone bad and leaked back there, so it took me a couple of rinses of my cloth to get it out, but I do end up getting it all cleaned up, so that's good. This is just a real life moment that I had to share with you guys, so I probably need to do this again, even though this was just in July. Somehow my fridge gets so messy so fast. Let me know down below if you are also guilty of a fridge like this.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that?
You're getting a really nice view of my hair bun. Wasn't the best angle to be scrubbing out the bottom of the fridge.
Explain it all again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess now, baby, no, I don't wanna.
Alright, so now moving on to the door of the fridge. Again, I'm doing one shelf at a time and washing out the inside of the drawers, or the shelves I should say. And the shelves do slide off so that you can clean them a little easier, but I really didn't feel like taking them off. I just kind of wiped them on the inside and put things back. But every once in a while I will take them off and wash them in the sink, but they really weren't too bad, so I just left them on.
Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face ocean we'll end up together, you.
Alright, so now I'm just going to do some rearranging, like I said, making things more easy to grab. So I'm taking out all the yogurts and breaking them up so that we can just grab them when we want one, and just trying to bring some of the fresh produce to the top of the shelves.
Tell me why we don't make sense.
Are you want to be on the camera? You're the cutest. You're the cutest. Alright, so now I have to throw out all of the things that have gone bad in the fridge. So this is really depressing when you see how much I'm going to throw out. And of course, I am sorting everything into our garbage. I like to try my best to follow the rules of sorting garbages, to do my part. So I'm emptying all of the food and that into our wet garbage and putting the plastics into the dry garbage. So I actually will rinse out some of the plastics so that they're clean to put in there, because that's what you're supposed to do. But I know a lot of people don't do that, but I like to try my best. Now, we're not perfect, so everything doesn't get 100% sorted, especially with other people in the house, but I'm going to do my best to sort everything as best I can and throw everything out and wash and rinse the plastics.
Boys ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. He's a vagabond.
Alright, so these are all of the drinks and that have gone bad on the door of the fridge. So there's some wine that has been in here for quite a few months. I'm not even sure when they were opened, so that's how old it is. And some old juices. So we don't actually buy juice anymore. Sometimes Bobby will get some apple juice, but I try not to drink a lot of juice because of all the sugar in that and trying to stick to my water. So we actually just don't even buy the orange juice anymore, because it just would just sit there and not get drank.
No excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
Like I said, I'm just rinsing out some of the containers that I had scooped food out of, and I'm going to put those back into the garbage. So they are a little overflowing, so I'm going to change them. And of course, you're going to be able to fit more in there when you pull them out of these containers, because the containers are a little bit smaller than the bags. So I like to pull them out and then shove as much more in there as I can, and then we'll change out the garbages.
You sing out your frustration, just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement, God knows who hurt.
And that's it for the fridge. So it looks so much better. You can see how empty it is now. That's how much stuff I had to throw out. So I'm so glad that it's done, and I was going to try to keep it this way, but already I need to clean it out again. So let me know if you want to see another video like this. Alright, the last thing is what I did that day. I started to build our new high chair. So this is the Tripp Trapp High Chair. It's an expensive high chair, and it took me a long time to decide, but I really wanted this high chair. So I splurged and got it, and we absolutely love it. We've been using it now. Cohen is eating solids now. We're doing the baby-led weaning, and it's just so nice to have him sit right at the table with us. I did purchase the tray separately so that we can use the tray if we want to, but for the most part, he's pulled right up to the table with us and has supper and breakfast and all that with us. So that's just me building it here. I don't get it all done on this video because my battery actually died on the camera, but it is all built, and in my future videos you will see it at the table. It is so cute. So of course I'm building it because Robbie is not one to build things. He just doesn't have the patience for it, so I'm always the one that builds things, and I don't mind.
Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you.
And that's gonna be it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing if you'd like to see more videos and giving it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.